Hello, welcome to FlutterBase. Today I'm going to show you how to host your React application in Firebase using Firebase hosting and connect your custom domain to it. So let's start the video. This is the React application I'm gonna host in Firebase. Now it's running on localhost and we want to access it from anywhere, so we're gonna host it our application online. For that I'm gonna use Firebase hosting, and let's connect a custom domain after we host our application. First you need to install Firebase CLI on your computer. To do this you need to go to this website, link will be in the description, so check that out and install the Firebase CLI. To install the Firebase CLI, in this case I'm in a Windows computer. You can use the npm package manager to do this, so it will be easier. So let's install the Firebase CLI using npm. Okay, to install the CLI you have to click npm, since we are using npm to install the CLI, and grab this code, copy this and open your VS Code, open up a terminal and paste that in here, press enter, and it will install the Firebase CLI. Okay, now you need to log into the Firebase console. So to do that, type Firebase space login and press Y. Okay, I have completed the login process. Now we have to create a new project in our Firebase console. So let's go to console, firebase.google.com. Okay, let's create a new project in here. You need to go to console.firebase.google.com. Click this button here, give it a name, let's say test hosting. Continue. Give this default account for Firebase. Great. Okay, now let's continue. Let's go to hosting. Okay, there are no hosting available, so let's go to VS Code and we need to build a project now. So this is the project right here, so we need to build this. Before building that, we need to initialize our Firebase project in here. So to do that, type Firebase init. Are you ready to proceed? Yes. We need Firebase hosting only. Okay, press enter. Use existing project, press enter. Test hosting, yes, press enter. You want to use as public, so we need to use build directory as the public directory, so press enter. Single page app, yes. Set up automatic builds and deploy with GitHub. We don't want that here. I'll talk about this later. Okay, initialization is complete, so let's build our project now. Do that, npm build. Sorry, npm run build. It will build your application to this directory. It will replace the existing data in here. Okay, the build has complete. Now let's test before deploying. To do that, Firebase serve -that only hosting, and it will create a local host serve in here. So you can go to this. Okay, it's working fine. This is the old one. This is hosted by Firebase. So let's deploy that into Firebase To do that, run Firebase deploy. You do not need to enter this, but just in case, hosting. Okay, now press enter. It will deploy to the application to here. Okay, hosting URL. We got hosting URL in here. Let's check that out. Okay, it's working fine. So that's how you deploy an application to Firebase for free. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, you can see our deployment in here. So to add the custom domain, since we are having this weird URL in here, so to do that, you need to click here at custom domain, and you need to enter a domain in here. Okay, to add a custom domain, you need to buy a domain from a vendor and enter your domain in here. So let's give as an example, let's use Firebase hosting.com, and let's continue. And you need to add those files to for your DNS provider. So you need to go to your console in the vendor and add this txt record and this content to the host, and after the verifying, it will take up to 24 hours to verify. After that, this will provide some additional good documents to add to the DNS server. So you need to go through that process. It will take up to 2 or 3 days, maybe less than 1 if your DNS provider is fast. So you need to go to that process and complete the process, so your custom domain will be connected to your application. Okay, now that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something, and if you have any doubts, please drop a comment. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you all in next video.